Right, so it's taken us probably about an hour to pressure wash this part of the patio, but as you can see, it still don't look right. There's a lot of black spots, and for most people who have just a domestic pressure washer, this is about as good as you're going to get. We're going to go a step further now. We're going to apply a special product that will basically get rid of the black spots. The black spots are organic growth. Okay, this is something that does take time to do, so we're going to apply the product, probably leave it for anything up to sort of 40 minutes. So remember how this looks. Well, we come to the end of this job, folks, and I think you will agree that that looks a load better than what it did before.